All right, we got to talk. The FOMC meeting is tomorrow. This guy is getting up on the stage talking about the money printer. The markets are crashing. We made $100,000 in less than 24 hours yesterday if you were watching the channel. I mean, we have a lot to go through. I don't have time for a whiteboard. Okay, welcome to the Kale Show. Yesterday, I told you guys, Phantom at $2, I was going to buy a ton of Phantom, which I did. As you can see from the trade here, I'm already up $100,000 on this trade, which is wonderful. I wish I would have swapped all of my Bitcoin for Phantom. I almost did. I was like this close. You could even see that on my Twitter if you go check. Now, here's what I'm thinking for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the biggest day. You know that this guy's getting up on the stage. He's going to talk about the money printer. This is the only reason that the stock market has gone down into the right. Like, you've seen the stocks go absolutely crazy and just crash, right? And there's all these reasons on CNN and CNBC, and this is why the markets are crashing. No, the only reason the markets are crashing is because this guy has talked about slowing down the money printer, about tapering, about raising interest rates. You've seen this stuff, right? So tomorrow is the day. And I've been telling you, and I told you yesterday in this video, that I think that this is completely oversold. I think that, yes, this is important long-term for the rest of this year. I do think that it's going to have a negative effect. But short-term, which is what we're trying to do on this channel, we're trying to make money. If you're trying to make money in the short term for your family, will you take your finger out of your butt right now and you see this little like button right here? Just hit it. Just smash it for me, please, for the love of Pete. Okay, we're trying to make money in this market. And the way to do that is to understand, what do we think is going to happen tomorrow, because he controls the whole market. When he started talking about slowing down the money printer, this is when we went down. And this is why Jerome is stuck right now, okay? And this is why I'm tweeting out memes like this and say, you know, I bet he's thinking about other women. No, Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow will define the global economy. I mean, that's what I went to sleep thinking about. That's what everyone's thinking about, because he is between a rock and a hard place right now, guys. It is rough out here. He's trying to decide, should I kill inflation, or should I stop the stock market from nuking? You can't do both, okay? So to kill inflation, what he has to do is he has to slow down this money printer. He has to talk about raising interest rates. He has to talk about all that stuff. And then the markets will crash, which will slow inflation. In order to keep the markets okay, he has to be like, you know what? All those interest rates hikes, I was just joking. No big deal. You know, we'll see how it plays out. You know, keep the money flowing into this market. And so he's in a tough spot tomorrow. In my opinion, I think that the stock market is greater than inflation. I think that people are pissed off about inflation. I definitely think that's true. But I think that all of his buddies, all of his gray-haired buddies in the Federal Reserve, everyone in Washington, all of these corrupt politicians, they're in the stock market too, right? They have all of their retirement funds in the stock market. And all the rich people have their retirement funds in the stock market. So it is going to come down to, who is this guy going to cater to? Is he going to cater to the people that are worried about eggs costing $1 more at the supermarket? And honestly, I'm not telling you which one's right or wrong. I'm just telling you what I think he's going to do, okay? Or is he going to cater to the rich people who control everything? In my opinion, he's not going to let the stock markets crash tomorrow. He's not going to ruin people's retirement funds. He's not going to ruin the rich people's payday, okay? So tomorrow, that is what I've been banking on, and that is why I went in here and I bought a ton of Phantom yesterday at $2. And I told you guys, I was like, guys, this trade could make us like 20% in one day. And lo and behold, call your mama, smack your daddy. I mean, we are up 28% in 24 hours. So how do you play the rest of the next 24 hours? Because I'm going to get off this video in like 5 seconds, okay? What should we do? Should we take profits here? If you made this move with me yesterday, congratulations. Should we ride this up? I personally am going to keep riding this for one more day. And here is why. It's very simple. I'm convinced that he's not going to slow this down tomorrow. I'm convinced that there is good news coming out tomorrow. The best part about all of this, guys, and I hope Bitcoin will just chill out right here. Here's the best part, okay? So today, I'll show you the hourly chart. You see how Bitcoin has gone up? Yesterday, we had that crazy, crazy dump, like in the morning. This was kind of before the markets opened, right? And I was telling you guys right down here, this is when you buy, right? You buy here. Now we've come back up, which is amazing. We're at $36,000, and we've traded sideways. Now let me show you the NASDAQ, which is totally different here, okay? I got to zoom in a little bit here. But the NASDAQ actually, it looks weird on this chart. I apologize, but let me show you. Okay, so the NASDAQ did this. Gosh, it looks bad, doesn't it? Son of a bee sting. I hate trading views sometimes. Okay, so it looks really weird. I apologize. Okay. So yesterday, we came all the way down, right? Then we had that rally. In one day, we went all the way back up. But today, again, we are down. Okay, so it's different than Bitcoin. You see how it went back up and now it's going down. Bitcoin just went back up and now it's sideways. So honestly, Bitcoin is holding up really, really well here. Phantom holding up extremely well, obviously going straight up to the right. But the fact that this is happening, I just need Bitcoin to chill out right here. Just chill right here until tomorrow. Because here's what I think. I think that if the NASDAQ had gone on too much of a reversal here, I think that Powell could have come out tomorrow and been a little bit more negative, right? But he didn't. I mean, it's still on a straight downwards trend, and he knows, he's not an idiot. He's been doing this for a long time. He knows that his comments are going to affect the market. And so I think what he's going to do is basically say very, very calm things, maybe even very positive things, dovish things that will make the market go back up a little bit, okay? Because he's got to stop some of this pain. And he's definitely not, I mean, at worst case, he's definitely not going to say things that nuke the market. I mean, there's no way he's going to go up there tomorrow and be like, look, we're going to raise interest rates even more. I don't think that's even possible. I think maybe there's a 1% chance of that happening. If that does happen, just be warned, everything will nuke. I mean, Bitcoin will go down to frickin' $25,000. FTM will go to $1.50. Like, everything will nuke. So you could lose all your money. But I think that that's a very slim chance tomorrow, which is why I'm holding through the meeting. The meeting is at 3 p.m. Eastern. I want to hold through the meeting. I want to see what he talks about. And when he is positive, I think that that will be priced in almost immediately. I could see Bitcoin going up tomorrow, literally tomorrow, to $40,000, $42,000 tomorrow. Okay, if the news is good, it depends on how positive he speaks, right? If he's like totally neutral in what he says, I think maybe we go to like 38,000, 39,000. If he's positive, if he says dovish things, I think we go up to, you can't even see the numbers here, but I think we go up to, I don't know, $42,000. And guys, what I would recommend to you to do, if this happens, is tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, I would take some profits. If you have rode this train up from down here like I have, right? If you've rode FTM from down here, FTM will probably be at, I don't know, it'll probably be close to whoa, that's not what I wanted. It'll probably be close to $3. It'll probably come up here all the way to $3. And if you see $3 Phantom, man, you should take your profits. You should take some profits. So that's my plan for the short-term trade. I told you guys yesterday that this crypto coin, what did I say? This crypto coin will make millionaires by Wednesday. I mean, seriously, I hope you, there are definitely some people that saw this trade and made this trade yesterday and made millions of dollars. So I hope that you're in. If you didn't get in yesterday or you missed my video, I think there is still opportunity here. Obviously, because FTM has already gone up a lot, it's a little bit more risky, but I do see this hitting, you know, $283 tomorrow if Powell is positive. If he's not, it's the total opposite. So it's totally up to you and your risk management and how you want to play this. Before we go, guys, you guys know BlockFi.com/Kale. 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 You need to have your US dollars earning 9% interest in BlockFi. If you're not, you're literally burning money every single day due to inflation, which is the whole point of this video. So go check out the show sponsor. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.